Happy Friday morning. I ended up not getting too much more snow after we were done there, which worked out pretty good. So we're just gonna go out and clean up the commercial parking lots, wherever cars were parked during the day. We'll have to take care of that, and then we will probably have to do some more apartment building cleanups later on in the morning, 9, 10 o'clock after people leave. But other than that, we're in good shape pretty much. So I'm gonna head out, check a couple things out, and call some guys in, get to work. Horns all cleaned up. Beauty. Salt truck will be by in a couple hours. Touch everything up. And they're good to open. On to the next. 5:45. All the commercial parking lots are cleared. Sidewalks are all set. Salt truck's out and about. Probably about halfway done with his route. Started snowing again. We just plowed this within the last hour. Already got a little coating on it, but it hasn't been salted yet, so salt should take care of it. We'll probably have to go out and salt again if this little bit of snow keeps up. So, kind of like yesterday, wrong time, but we'll make them pretty. Just after 7 now. All the commercial properties are done. Got everything salted, except for maybe the last 1 or 2. He still should be finishing up. And I got all my extra driveways done with. People that call me. So that's the end of that storm. Pretty successful, really can't complain. Nothing broke, major, just a couple electrical connections I had to touch up here and there. Just a little bit of poor timing with the storm, and one of my guys was out, one of my subcontractors was out yesterday morning until 11:30, so I had to cover him for a bit. So I was double timing. We got a little bit of a late start then on the driveways than I would have liked to, but it was still definitely acceptable. And everything got done. No complaints about not getting stuff done or anything like that. Everything's melting down nicely now. So snow stopped. Should be good for a few hours. We'll go out at 9:30 and clean up apartment buildings after people leave. And then we should be all set. Looks like it's gonna stay cold tonight and then warm up a bit on Saturday, but not too much. Sunday, everything is pretty much gonna melt down and it's gonna get cold again, so we'll be salting again Sunday night into Monday, I bet. So, see you on the next one. Oh, ain't no rest for the wicked. Had some lake effect coming down off Lake Ontario. Starting to build up a little bit. You can see the sun, but then another band down there, so they might come down and hit us. We got to refill the salt, and we're gonna head out and see who needs to be hit again. Try and get most everything so it's consistent. And hopefully we don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. I'm thinking the lake effect's gonna break up pretty soon here, so should be all set. But we ended up with good amount of snow, but everything went really, really well for this storm. First storm of the season, really, that we actually had to plow everything. The guys are learning the locations and whatnot. Some nice fluffy snow, so that was helpful at least. Windshield wiper is fixed. It's always good. We've used a fair amount of salt out of our fresh pile here in one storm. We didn't even salt most of the day yesterday. We just salted at the end once it quit snowing. Trees are hanging low with the snow. Can't see. That ought to do it. Grimy truck. Ready, Fredward? I forgot how to ride the snowmobile. It handles a little differently now. Whoopsie. Uh-oh, you got snow in you. Alright, let's try that again. Alright. Get on! Bus is leaving! Alright, this time when we turn left, lean left.
I did lean. You
know.
didn't.